Hey guys, I'm Shubham Raheja from Tech Insider India, and here's a quick overview of the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. First, let's start off with the design. This is a lightweight, premium yet powerful notebook from Xiaomi with a sandblasted finish that looks really nice. Its keyboard comes with scissor switch keys and is pretty spaced out, providing a tactile typing experience. Now let's talk about the specifications of this notebook. It is powered by Intel's i7 and i5 processors with up to 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of SSD. It also features an NVIDIA MX350 graphics card. This notebook also offers a host of connectivity options. It has one USB Type-C port, a USB 3.1 Type-A and USB 2.0 Type-A ports, a full-size HDMI port, and finally a 3.5mm combo jack. It also comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity options. This notebook also has a fantastic display. It is lit by a 14-inch Full HD display, and the panel looks really good and has an anti-reflective coating that improves visibility in tricky situations. It is paired with two 2-watt speakers that emit powerful sound. On top of all of this, you also get great battery performance. This laptop comes with a 45-watt-hour battery with a claimed backup of 15 hours, and it ships with a 65-watt charger. This is great if you're planning to stay away from a power source for long. And that was a quick overview of the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.